Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. First thing, we must choose the scale. So here just now I told you, if we are taking 100, we can't easily express this number. That's why I'm going one symbol. This symbol I'm using. One symbol is equal to 50 watches. So this is my scale for this question. Scale are key. Okay. Now on Monday, how many watches were manufactured? 300. That one we have to use. We have to show by using a picture. Means 300 watches are there. One symbol value I am taking 50 watches. So how many symbols I must represent to draw that 300? So 300, they only given the value 300 watches given by 50. 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 6 means 6 symbols I have to draw to represent 300. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 only 6 300 watches. 50 plus 50 100 100 plus 50 150 150 plus 50 200 200 plus 50 250 250 plus 50 300. Okay, next for this 350 by 50 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 sevens are 35. Go through with the division. 350 by 50 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So 7 symbols we need to draw completely, and same width we have to take for each picture. Same width. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are 7 watches, wrist watches. I am using this symbol. You can use another symbols also, no problem. 7 watches. Okay. And to represent 250, 0 0 250 by 50, 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 5s are 25. 5 symbols I have to draw. 1 2 3 4 5. Next, 400 by 50, 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 8s are 40. 8 symbols. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next, 300 by 50, just now we got, so 6 symbols. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next, 275 by 50. So here do the cancellation. What will get? 27.5 will get. So 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5.5 will get the answer. Okay, 1 0 is there now. That's why 5.5 means 5 symbols completely used. Next, sixth symbol only half we have to take. 5.5. 1 2 3 4 5 symbols completely. Sixth one only half. Okay. 50 plus 50 100. 100 plus 50 150. 150 plus 100 150 plus 50 200. 250. 250 plus 25. Half of 50 25. So 275. Okay, like this we have to represent. Now just remember once again, whenever they are asking us to prepare a frequency pictograph, first we have to choose the correct scale and how many symbols we need. According to that scale, whatever values they are given, divide with that scale, then you will get number of symbols. To find number of symbols, divide the value with the scale. Okay, if they only given symbols, to find out the value of those symbols, multiply that number. See here one symbol cost is 50 watches. Value is 50 watches. For first question, if 300 not given, only symbols are shown in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbols are there. So 6 into 50. 6 5 is 30, 300 will get. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 50. So when symbols are given, multiply with that scale. And if value is given, divide with the scale to get the symbols. Okay. Don't confuse. Next. So once observe this problem, the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a week are as follows. So wristwatches manufactured in a factory for the week they are mentioned. Monday, Tuesday, like the days given and number of watches manufactured for that particular day given. Represent the data using a pictograph. Choose a suitable scale. So scale we have chosen. Before drawing the pictograph, we have to take the scale only first. So choose the scale first. And after choosing the scale, write the days and write the watches, number of watches in the form of pictures because they are asking us to use pictograph. If the data represented by using a pictures, then that is said to be a pictograph. Okay. Now coming to the next question. So next question also they have given the information, further we need to show the pictograph. Details of apples. Sold in a week by Ahmad. The fruit vendor are given here under. Prepare a pictograph for the data. And also given scale represent 5 fruits with a symbol. So here the table is given like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Hundred, 85, 90, 80, 60, 95, and 70. Now still here questions are given. Answer the following questions. First question was, how many symbols represent the fruits on Tuesday? So these answers here only right, last one. Next, how many symbols represent the fruits sold on Friday? How many symbols represent fruits sold on Friday? Here also we'll write the answer later on. First of all, represent the data using the pictograph. Okay, so here they only read the question. Details of apples sold in a week. So this one is a question. This one completely question. Details of apples sold in a week by Ahmad, a fruit vendor, given here under. Prepare a pictograph for the data. Scale represent 5 fruits with a symbol. Means they only mention one symbol equal to 5 fruits, 5 apples. Here they have mentioned apples. Okay. And days, number of apples were sold on that day. And now first question, how many symbols represent the fruits sold on Tuesday? We have scale 5, one fruit equal to 5. One symbol equal to 5 fruits. Total 100 fruits are there. So to get the symbols, just now I told you, divide the number with the scale. So therefore, 100 by 5, which is which day they given? Tuesday. Tuesday 90 fruits are sold. So 90 by 5, which is equal to 5 ones are 5, 40, 5 eights are 40. 18 symbols represent the fruits sold on Tuesday. Okay, similarly here also. How many symbols represent the fruits sold on Friday? 95 we have. So just 5 more means 19 symbols we need. So we will see 95 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 45. 5 nines are 45. 19 symbols represent the fruits sold on Friday. That's all. Okay, now coming to the pictograph. How to represent the data using the pictograph. Now here we have to take days as Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And remember here they have mentioned scale also. So scale, one symbol. So how you want to represent the apple? That is one apple equal to 5 apples. One symbol equal to 5 fruits. They only mention. So one symbol equal to 5 apples. That is the scale. Now number of apples sold. So first value is 100. So 100 by 5. 100 by 5 is nothing but what we will get? 100 by 5. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 20 symbols we have to draw to represent 100 fruits. 20 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 20 we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 apples. Next, Monday, 85 given. So 85 by 5, how much we will get? How many symbols we have to use? 85 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 35. 5 sevens are 35. 17 symbols. All are more than 10 only. So 17 symbols we have to represent. 17 5s are 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Then for 90, 18 fives are 90. Okay, means 18 symbols we need. Just observe here only we are drawn. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's all. Next, on Wednesday, 80 days. So, 16 by the 80. Okay. 16 symbols we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, so draw clearly. Here place is not sufficient. That's why I am drawing like this. Represent with if any other symbol also, no problem. These pictures, that is your wish. Now Wednesday 16 symbols and 60. 12 5s are 60, so 12 symbols we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's all. So draw neatly. Next, 95. So 19 symbols we have to draw. 19 right, 95. 5 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So totally 19 symbols. And on Saturday 70 given. So 14 5 is 70. 14 symbols we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all 14 over. So pictographs takes time to draw the pictures. That's all. Now just observe here. Scale, because they are given 5 apples, we are choosing that one. Otherwise, we can go through with the scale 10 apples also. Then no need to draw these many symbols. Half of the symbols will be reduced. But in the question only they have mentioned that scale. Okay, that's why these many symbols we have drawn. On Sunday, total 100 fruits are there. So 100 by 5, 20 apples, 20 symbols we must draw. And 85 by 5, uh, 17 symbols we have to draw, and 90, 18 symbols, 80, 16 symbols, 60, 12 symbols, 95, 19 symbols, 70, 14 symbols we have drawn. Divide with 5, you will get the values, that's all. Okay. And here after that pictograph, they are asking the questions also. For these questions also we can answer after preparing a pictograph, otherwise without preparing, before only we can answer these questions because they have mentioned the scale, that's why. Okay. Now coming to the third problem. So these three questions, first three questions, given the information, we have prepared the frequency pictograph. And still three questions are there. Those are, they only mention the pictograph, and some questions are given. We have to study the pictograph and we need to answer those questions. Here third problem is given like this. Votes poll for various candidates in a Sarpanch election. Are shown below. Against their symbols in the following table. So here table is mentioned like this: symbol and number of votes poll. Sun symbol 400, pot symbol 550, tree symbol 350, watch 200. This is the tabular form given. Okay, organized data only given. Now represent the data using a pictograph. Using a pictograph. Choose a suitable scale. So here scale not given. We have to choose a suitable scale, and some questions also given. Answer the following questions. So completely all these are questions only. Complete question this one. First question given that which symbol got least votes? So just observe the table without drawing the pictograph also we can answer this. Just observe which symbol got least votes. Compare the number of votes. Least votes they are asking. Least means minimum value, that is 200. So what symbol got least votes? So directly we can write answer this. What symbol got least votes? And second question given, which symbol candidate won in the election? Which symbol candidate won in the election? So who got more votes, that person only will win the election. So who got more votes? Part symbol having more number of votes means 550 votes are there. So part symbol person won the election. Part symbol candidate won the election. That's all. Now represent the given data as a pictograph and choose the scale also. And here till now for first two problems, all those are watches and apples only. So for that sake, only one symbol we have used. But here different symbols are there. Pot, sun, tree, watch, like that given. So for that sake, I'm writing scale as and observe the number 200, 350, 550, 400, like that we have. If they are given hundreds, so we will take 100. Otherwise, you can use 100 also. If you are using 100, one symbol equal to 100 oats, 4 symbols required to represent 400. 400 by 100, 4 symbols we need. 550 by 100, 5 symbols completely, and sixth symbol only half only we have to take. 350, 3 symbols completely, and fifth symbol half we have to represent. 200 by 100, 2 symbols completely we will use. Scale, so I am using one symbol here. Symbol, which symbol I am not mentioning, in the pictograph only I will draw. One symbol equal to 100 oats. Okay, now symbol and number of number of oats. So first symbol was the sun, next pot, tree, and watch. So now how many symbols I need to represent sun? Number of votes polled for sun. 400. 400. So we have used the scale 100. 400 by 100. Zeros will get cancelled. 4 only will left. Means 4 symbols I need to draw. So I am taking sun symbol like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, pot. Pot 550 are there. So how many symbols we need to represent pot symbol? 550 by 100. 0 will get cancelled. 5.5 will get, means 5 symbols completely, and the sixth symbol half only we have to use. Just go through with this. So here I am using part symbol like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth one half only we have to take. That's it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and this is half only, so 50, 550. Okay. Next, 350 by 100, so 3.5 will get. That means 3 symbols completely we need to represent for 3, and fourth one half only. So what I am doing, 3, 1, 2, 3, 300 and 50, 350. Okay, and watch 200, only 2 symbols. 200 by 100, 2 symbols. So watch just now whatever we have taken. 1, 2. That's all. Now observe the questions. Which symbol got least votes? Just observe the symbols here. Less symbols are needed for watch only. So watch symbol got least votes, and pot symbol got maximum votes. That's why that person won the election. Okay. Still 3 more questions are there. Though in that questions they only given the pictograph, and some questions asked like this. We have to answer those questions by observing the pictograph. Now just observe. Here they are given some information. We are expressing that data as a pictograph by choosing some particular pictures and suitable scale with the suitable scale. Okay. The remaining 3 questions we will discuss in the next class.